In this video, I'm going to show you the unboxing of Panda Smart and the way to connect it to your laptop. When you receive the package, please open the suitcase and check the packing list first. There should be parts as below: the scanner, the USB cable, the bracket, tips, the calibrator, the USB flash disk, and the calibrator cable. After confirming the package, we can connect the device to your laptop now. First, please put out the scanner in the bracket and put the scanner in the bracket on a stable desk. Then connect the USB cable of the scanner to the computer. Please ensure that the USB cable is plugged in properly. Now we have finished the connection of Panda Smart. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit our website.